The Philadelphia Eagles spirit doesn't stop just once you get across the bridge into New Jersey. We support our local team as well. Hi, I'm Nancy.
And I'm Stephanie.
And we are at Kneble's Auto Service Center.
On February 4th, 2018, it will be the time when all football fans throughout the United States will be sitting on the edge of their seat anticipating the 56th annual Super Bowl battle between the New England Patriots and their underdogs, Philadelphia Eagles.
Woo!
In 2005, the Eagles went to the Super Bowl against the New England Patriots hosted in Florida, but they lost 21-24. So now we're putting out good juju, good vibes, so hopefully Philadelphia can bring it home to win.
Everyone on social media is showing their Eagles pride by decorating their babies and pets. But we would like to spread some Eagle spirit with seeing your pride that you've displayed on your vehicles. I mean, this is a web series and it's about cars. So after all, let's spread some Eagles pride by having it displayed on your vehicle.
And just like Coach Peterson said, we got one more game to play.
Go Eagles!
So if you like our video, give it a thumbs up and hit the like button. And if you want to share this video with other Eagles fans, hit the share button. And if you'd like to share your Eagles spirit with us and how you displayed it in the car, enter a picture in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.
Go Eagles!